So you are going to come back to the front of your chair so that you have plenty of room to move the legs around. And we start by sitting up nice and tall in our seated Tadasana. And then bring the hands to the heart, either resting them on the heart or bringing the palms together if that's available to you. From there, take the arms out and bring them up overhead as high as feels comfortable. Opening up the heart, just a gentle back bend from the shoulder blades up. We're going to hinge forward, so you'll hinge at the hips, keeping a nice long spine, and only go as far into this hinge as feels good for you. I like to keep my hands on my hips for stability. You can have your arms out in front of you if that feels available. And that's your forward fold. You can take it all the way down toward the floor in a full forward fold if you'd like. And then from there, we move into our lunge. So coming up, you can turn sideways and bring the leg back. You can take that arm up overhead. Or if your chair has arms, which won't allow for this side turning, you can stay facing front and slide the leg back, and you can still take the arm up. Coming from this lunge, come into downward dog. So back to center, extend the arms out in front of you. A nice long diagonal line toward that seam where the ceiling meets the wall. Pressing the sits bones back as the head and arms reach forward. Bring the hands to the thighs, lower the head down, lengthen through the crown of head, and come up into a little cobra, opening up the heart and throat. And then lower down again, come back into your downward dog, extending out on the diagonal. And then release that, come into a lunge on the other side, either sideways or facing forward. Come back to center, forward fold. Reach the arms out and up, either forward or out to the side, up overhead, arch slightly back, hands return to the heart. And release. So we'll walk through that slowly again on the other side, and then we'll work to coordinate the movement and the breath, because I know it's new to some of you. So begin in Tadasana. Bring the hands to the heart. Take the arms out and up overhead, arch slightly back. Hinge at the hips, fold forward as deep as you want to go with this. Turn to the other side, come into a lunge. And then back to center for down dog. Hands to thighs, lower the head, reach forward with the crown, come up into cobra. And then lower that back down, come into down dog. Go to the other side now for lunge. And then come back to center, forward fold. Reach the arms out and up, arch back, and bring the hands to the heart.